We traded in the traditional life to enjoy life on the road with the kids because you only live
Bye,
once.
Mom.
Join us on our adventures. We're finally back on the road. We did a few nights at a Jellystone east of Indianapolis. That was fun. Today was a short travel day. We have a bunch of short trips as we slowly head south into Kentucky, Tennessee, and then eventually we're going to work our way towards the Atlantic coast at Virginia Beach, and then we're going to work our way north. Well, apparently there's some big happenings today in Owensboro, Kentucky, but we're gonna try to get into the Bluegrass Hall of Fame and check out some this downtown area. But there's definitely a lot of people. All the roads are shut down, but we were able to find a parking spot. It's closed. The whole